Bleaching hair at home will surely save you bucks, but the task is not that easy. Using hair bleaching products incorrectly can lead to scalp irritation and it may damage your hair. But if you're confident enough to pull off a great hair coloring session all on your own, then you can choose a good quality hair bleach for your hair. Just do a strand test to find out if you're happy with the tone and you're ready to get gorgeously colored hair at home. So, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best hair bleach kits which will make your hair perfectly blonde and prepare them for a coloring session afterwards. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Imagine having an all-in-one hair bleach kit which will open the door of possibilities so you can rock any hair color according to your mood anytime you want. Well, you don't need to imagine anymore because the Enrage Whiteout Kit is here to your rescue. This kit follows a 2-step system to provide you with perfect bleaching results. This 10-minute bleach formula is activated with a 40-volume activator, providing faster lightening. The conditioning tone eliminates dullness and provides you with brighter white hair. This kit is great for hair frosting and highlighting. It works great on any hair color and texture and helps you achieve a strong and vibrant hair color according to your liking. The hair bleach kit contains whiteout conditioning toner, 40-volume activator, 10-minute bleach, hook or brush, and a pair of gloves. The product is easy to apply and provides super fast results, and it's a great option for salon or at-home use. The Enrage Whiteout Kit has earned quite a number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love this product as it works great and provides results, but the product didn't quite meet the expectations of some users. How to use. Let's check out the ratings for this hair bleach kit. Prepare your hair before coloring and go bright white with the Raw Beyond Bleach Whiteout Kit, a complete hair bleach kit which promises to provide you with exclusive hair bleaching results. This kit has a 30-volume developer which will lighten your hair up to 3 levels, allowing more pigment to be embedded into the hair shaft. The kit works with the 10-minute bleach formula for fast lightening, taking your bleaching experience to the next level. The conditioning toner helps to eliminate dullness from your hair and gives your hair a brighter white tone. You can apply different hair colors and see the vibrancy for yourself after using this bleach kit. The product is gentle on hair, it prevents hair breakage, and it doesn't cause split ends or frizziness after the application. The kit contains a 10-minute bleach packet, 30-volume bleach activator, whiteout toner, brush, gloves, and instructions. It has a vegan formula and the product is 100% cruelty-free as well. This hair bleach kit has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, This product works well and lightens hair evenly, and it doesn't cause damage to the hair. But some users were not satisfied with their product. How to use? Time to rate this product. Our next pick for today is the Manic Flash Lightning Hair Bleach Kit, which is another popular product for giving you the perfect hair bleaching results right at home. The Hair Bleach Kit with 30 volume cream developer lifts your hair up to 5 levels, preparing hair for intense colors. The bleach powder is dust free and the entire kit is ready to lighten your hair whenever you want. One bleaching kit is enough for 4 inches of hair length. The kit contains a dust-free bleach powder and a 30 volume cream developer, 1 plastic mixing tub, a tint brush, plastic cap, 1 set of plastic gloves, and instructions for use. You can use this product to achieve medium to light blonde results and stay glamorous. The Manic Flash Lightning Hair Bleach Kit has earned a huge number of user reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product as it provides great bleaching results and it works great on brown and black hair as well, making hair color pop up after application. But besides all the positive reviews, some users didn't have a great experience with their product. How to use? It's time to rate this hair bleach kit. If you're willing to achieve premium blonde hair without running to the salon every now and then, you can choose the Schwarzkopf BlondMe Premium Lift 9 Bleach Hair Kit for your hair. This product comes with integrated bonding technology, allowing you to choose the tone according to your liking and hair type. The dust-free premium lightener offers 9 levels of incredible lift, which makes it a powerful option for your hair. The 40 volume developer is specially formulated to support natural moisture balance of your hair while giving you shiny and soft blondes. The lightener protects hair fiber while minimizing hair breakage and has anti-yellow agents to neutralize any warm undertones. The kit includes 1 Schwarzkopf BlondMe Premium Lightener 9 Plus Dust-Free Powder Bleach, 1 Oil Formula Moisture Maintaining Premium Developer, and a pack of 6M Hair Designs Piranha hair clips, which can hold multiple types of hair. The Schwarzkopf BlondMe Premium Lift 9 Bleach Kit has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product works great on black hair and works quite fast while providing perfect blonde results. But some users didn't really like the product. How to use? Now time to check out the ratings. Our best pick for today is the Manic Amplified Flash Lightning Hair Bleach Kit, which is an immensely popular product and a great option for your DIY hair coloring sessions. This kit comes with a 40 volume cream developer and it lifts your hair up to 7 levels. It comes with a dust-free bleach powder, which helps to prepare hair gently so that you get vivid colors. It works to make your natural brown or black hair medium to light blonde after the application. The kit comes with a dust-free bleach powder, a 40 volume cream developer, 1 mixing tube, tint brush, a plastic cap, 1 set of plastic gloves, and instructions for use. It is a vegan and cruelty-free hair bleach kit. The product is also free from paraben, ammonia, and phthalate, which makes it a perfect option for you. The Manic Amplified Flash Lightning Hair Bleach Kit has earned a massive number of user reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. Users love this hair bleach kit as it provided their hair with the shades they desired and it didn't damage their hair in the process. But some of the users complained that the product didn't really work for them. How to use? Let's rate this hair bleach kit. Those were our top 5 hair bleach kits. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.